Welcome back, everyone. Tonight we've got another late night tool catechism. Tonight I've been charged with doing a little repair work on this wonderful little wooden toy that's used in the classroom extensively. It's just glued together and some of the joints have gotten loose. So I figure I'll need to clamp this guy together during the gluing process. Didn't really want to use the pipe clamps. I've got these Irwin guys that I've had for some time, but this is 13 inches, and I thought, well, this is an excellent opportunity to give these guys a try. These are 24-inch. These are from Harbor Freight. I've only known Harbor Freight to have this style of trigger clamp that was very mediocre. Then the other day I had to pick up a couple items and I saw these guys, and they certainly do look nice. Obviously there's no real unboxing, but when you get these guys, you pop off one of the pads on the clamping surface, and that takes off the label. Very nice. We'll see how these guys stack up. We'll take apart some loose joints. I'm going to quick go over the specs on these clamps and then explain. So these are the claims made by Harbor Freight about their Bremen. I like Bremen. A tough, reinforced nylon body, quick release for easy conversion to spreader. That's part of the explanation of that pile of parts. 3 3/16 throat depth. 3 3/16, I see 3 1/4. The grip is ergonomic for ease of use. Removable, non-marring pads. It's a very nice, pliable material. An I-beam construction. It's sort of an I-beam. So you can see, well, I got a pile here that I gotta make sure I get back together correctly to ensure that I don't sleep on the sofa. One of the nice features of this compared to the older clamps that I have, and I'm sure many of the other manufacturers have done this already. If you want to spread something apart, which I tried doing, I didn't realize the fragility of this particular piece. I thought, well, I'll just give it a little zip apart, and it fell apart. But you push this button here, and it just comes off the end. You've got a little hole that engages it. Come back over here to the other end, clamp, and boom, now you're back to a clamp. Now, I'm going to carefully disassemble. We'll start at the top here. We'll move on to these guys here. This one goes on this side, that one goes on that side. It's always handy to have little blocks and pieces from other crazy projects around. last piece. Time for these guys to shine. Okay, one clamp. Two clamp. So these are the quite old ones that I was talking about. Okay. And we'll grab a couple more. All clamped up with these snazzy Bremen clamps. Bloop. It has been a few hours. We'll take the clamps off. The new Harbor Freight clamps, the Bremens, work very well. Now we have a nice solid car game again for the kids, and we had a very nice excuse for buying some clamps. We'll see how they hold up over time. Now that we've had a nice little bit of, I guess, practical usage of these clamps, I can say first impressions are very good. They are good basic clamps. Thank you very much for watching this little clamp review. Subscribe, like, follow, all the good stuff.